How to cancel Any.do subscription on Android. If you want to cancel your Any.do subscription on Android, if you subscribe using a Google Play, then you can cancel within a Google Play Store. Just launch the Google Play Store app and this is the interface you will see. Then from here, what you can do is to simply tap on the profile icon, which is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap your profile icon from the top right hand side, over there you can go to payment and subscriptions from the respective Google account. Go to subscriptions and there you will be able to see a list of subscriptions that you have, from where you will be able to cancel it. Now just in case you don't find it over here, now 99% of the time if you subscribe using a Google Play on Android, you will find them here most definitely. But just in case you don't find it, then you can open your browser and type in Any.do cancel subscription on Android. When you search for that, you'll find the link from Any.do support page that says how to cancel your Any.do subscriptions. So just tap on it and open up that page. Here it will give us a couple of descriptions on how we can cancel it, just like the ones we already discussed in case you're having basically you subscribe from Google Play. But here you can also see it says if you wish to cancel, then you can contact the support team and they will gladly offer relevant solutions. So just tap on the support team link. It will take you to the contact form, where right over here you can simply enter your full name as well as your email address. Select pick a topic over here, then under select option you can simply select to cancel the membership, select a platform that you use, what device you're using, what Android version, write a message and tap on submit option, and once they review the form they will be able to help you cancel your subscriptions. So over here you can see billing and payment issues. Tap on it in the pick a topic tab, just mention them, I would like to cancel the subscriptions, and they should be able to help you with it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.